want to wish it out.
Come eat it.
Uh-oh.
Come on, put more on there. Push it on there. I want Daddy to help you. Shall I show you? Watch. You get, look. You hold it in your hand, yeah. Then you want to push it on, look. There you go.
Well done.
You want to try again? Go there and push it on, look, push. That's it, go on.
No, Daddy.
You okay? Keep eating. You like the curry? What is your favorite then?
She loves the curry, boy.
That's a bit spicy. How come that she likes it?
She likes it hot curry, because Daddy likes it, that's why. It's Daddy's favourite hot curry.
Wee, good girl.
No, I just like curry.
Nearly finished. Come on.
Fish.
Not yet. They still got loads there.
I'm making a house.
Okay then. Use your hands then.
No.
No, don't put that in the... Don't do that.
Uh-oh.
Use your fork and spoon.
I'm done it. More than
Good girl.
Well done.
No.
More. Mike, can you give her more?
There's no more rice.
I go to jail.
More sauce for her?
No, that's enough. That's not sauce. It's a bit spicy, Mike.
She likes it.
Yeah, it's spicy. I cannot. I don't know how can she likes it. It's spicy. Come on, eat it now. It's the wrong way around. Use your fork. Come on, do it. You still got loads of rice in your plate, Iona. Well done. Come on.
Enough.
Oh, last one. You like curry, isn't it?
Move.
You love it. You love it.
Whoa.
She loves it, boy. She's got off Daddy, innit? Eugene's, innit?
Okay.
All the curry he's having since he met Eden.
Enough. Okay, then.
You sure enough?
What's up? Spicy. That's okay. Drink some water now.
Eden, you're not eating any food.
No, I'm alright. I'm gonna.